Hey Charm Squad, this is Envy. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, please make sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell so that you can know when I upload new videos. Oh my gosh guys, I have missed you so much. It has been so long since I've been able to upload new content, but we're in a new pace and we're going to go ahead and start my videos again. So please bear with me guys. Today I have news. Madam Glam has sent me some of their polishes, and if you know me, you know I absolutely love Madam Glam. Just so that you guys know, Madam Glam is vegan, palm oil free, cruelty free, 21 free, and HEMA free. So they've gone ahead and sent me some polishes to go ahead and share with you guys, and I even have a code which I'll share down below. You guys, I'm so excited to bring this content to you. So we're gonna go ahead and just open up. This is their matte formula, you guys. I love their matte. I'm going to go ahead and just unbox everything with you guys so that you can see it. We're going to go ahead and swatch the colors so that you can see the amazing colors that I chose. This first color here, Bahama Mama, is so gorgeous. Anyways, guys, I'm going to go ahead and let you finish watching the video. We're going to open up the colors. I will share with you. We'll swatch them, and I even have a design for you guys. Okay guys, I just had to jump in here and tell you how much I love this rubber base coat Thailand. Oh my god guys, it is everything. Of course I love the color, but guys, it is so amazing. I love the way that it goes on very smooth. I love the uses that you can get out of it. Obviously, again, like I said, I do love the color. I like the milky part of it. I have so many ideas of what I can do with this rubber base coat, guys.
Keys to car, I'm the boss and the king of the czar. Got him so high, so addicted, telling me I'm the only queen of his heart. Guess I let you co-star. If I gotta do it, I'ma do the most. Since they paid to see a show, got the sauce overflow. Yeah. If I gotta do it, I'ma do the most. Watching me, they take no, raise a toast to the goat. Yeah. If I gotta do it, I'ma do the most. Since they paid to see a show, got the sauce overflow. Yeah. Mastermind, creator of this high vibe energy. Only thing I'm loyal to is building a legacy. So quit testing me. Lot of commas in the bank, I'm a provider. Tell the amateurs stay in their lane, ain't no outsider. Bought a mansion in LA, right next to Mariah. Write a song, get filthy paid, price going high. Yeah, I gotta do it, I'ma do the most. Since they paid to see a show, got the sauce overflow. Yeah.
You guys, this Fifth Avenue color is going to be perfect for fall. Just look at that.
Yeah. It takes a lot to be the best.
Again, you guys, how beautiful is this color? Like, watch how bright and vibrant this color is. OMG. Guys, this pajama party color, just as vibrant. Check this out. Oh my goodness. I can't believe it. Yes, mama, if you're watching, I know you love this color. Oh my gosh, you guys, green highlighter is so bright. Alright guys, so here you see all these colors. Oh my god, don't they look so great on my hand? Boop. There you go, there's matte. You guys know I had to do it. I had to show you the matte. Excuse my boop. But these colors are so luscious, guys. Absolutely love them. So here you see me taking out my Nicole J striper brush. Yes, you guys. So I'm taking that rubber base coat with a little bit of blooming gel. Right, and then we go ahead and now I'm just doing this little wonderful design that I have seen going around. So I just wanted to share with you guys. I will let you guys go ahead and finish watching. Thank you again so very much for coming and watching my video. Also guys, if you want to grab any of the things that you've seen here today, please feel free to use any of the codes on the screen. Again, I will also put them in the description down below.
Show love. Ooh, take it back to when nobody used to know me. Let's tell you I was just chilling with my homies. Now that we're popping, everybody is talking. This is for my day ones. Don't forget the ones that made ya. Deep south sweating out flavor. This is for my day ones. Day one. This is for my day ones. Don't forget the ones that made ya. Deep south sweating out flavor. This is for my day ones. Day ones.
Alright guys, so this is the finished product, and of course I'm going to show you in matte. These are all everything that I got, so you guys can see these colors and how bright and beautiful they look. Madam Glam, thank you so very much for sending me these. I absolutely love them. You guys, again, the codes and everything will be down below. Thank you guys for coming. Until next time, stay blessed. Bye.